The opposition started the walkout from the Rajya Sabha after Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu rejected the suspension of business notice to discuss on ongoing protest over the contentious farm laws. Well, Naidu, the Rajya Sabha chairman, says that the discussion of farmer protests will start tomorrow, not today.
Sir,
when I was from.
yes, sir. I'm so grateful to you, sir. Sir, I am sure that you would agree with me that this is the most urgent and pressing issue of today. The real people who feed the country are on the path of agitation for so many months now. So kindly discuss this issue in the House now, sir. That's why we are
Right.
still. We request you to
Siddhartha?
allow us.
Ashok Siddharth? Huh? Prithviraj, you want to? Please. Siddhartha is here or not? No. Okay. Just एक second है हाँ.
He's in the
Is it time?
सर ये ऐसा इशू है जिसमें कि सरकार और संसद के सभी सांसद भी सभी इंटरेस्टेड हैं, सब बात करना चाहते हैं
ठीक है।
और डिस्कस करना चाहते हैं।
Thank you.
तो इसमें जैसे एक सॉल्यूशन निकल सके तो इसमें कोई एक यहाँ पर चर्चा होनी जरूरी, बाहर सड़क पे हो रही
Thank you.
है,
Thank
यहाँ
you,
पर भी हो
Sadiq
जाए,
ji.
मीडिया में हो रही है।
Prabhupada ji, time. Please don't think otherwise. You will get an opportunity. Your name I already taken. So one thing I want to put the record straight, that people say that there was no discussion on farm laws. The farm laws were discussed. Please, sir. If you say no, I have to refer the record, and it was given 4 hours, and 4 hours were completed in the House. That's the thing. Now question hour, please. Question hour, Sanjay, please. Question hour. Question hour. Right. Take it. Please. Right. I got your point. Please. Question hour, KJ Alphonse. Minister Finance. Anurag ji.
जी सर, सर स्टेटमेंट इज
Please. No. Question hour started. Question hour started. I have already repeated that there was discussion threadbare in the House on farm laws. It's a wrong impression is being created. There was no discussion. With regard to voting, people may have their own arguments. But discussion, every party has completed their part and made their suggestions. It's on record. If anybody wants, I can again ask the record to be placed very clearly. Please. Anurag ji? ले कर दिया. Okay, Alphonse, supplementary.
I lay the statement on the table of the House.
Right.
So, for supplementary, sir, we are most grateful to the Honorable Minister for assuring the country that we are on way to achieving $5 trillion of GDP. But sir, one of the reasons for worry is the gross capital formation, which is only 27%. And I believe that unless this goes up dramatically, we possibly may not be achieved.
Right.
What is the solution that the government has on this issue?
Right. Minister, you are saying something, Anurag, you are not able to hear him or what?
But this is fine, sir. I'll reply, sir.
Please.
So let me first thank the Honorable MP for raising this question. And I can understand his concern about India being a $5 trillion economy. But sir, if you see in the last few months, even during the pandemic time, the Government of India has taken many initiatives, especially when the Prime Minister said, कि आपदा में भी अवसर ढूंढने हैं. We have taken multiple initiatives, sir, including the reduction in the corporate tax rate from 30% to 15% to give incentive to the manufacturing companies to be set up in India. And sir, recently during the Atmanirbhar Abhiyan, many reforms were undertaken in the areas of coal, power, labor laws, and even sir production link incentives are
Right.
given. And to the tune of sir 1,97,000 crore rupees, the production link incentives will be given in the next 5 years. Apart than that, sir, many other initiatives
Right.
like Prime Minister Modi.
You can inform the member whatever information you have, pass it on to him.
Sir, just couple of
Second
more things, sir.
supplementary.
Information. Sir, I'll go to the second supplementary. Sir, any country which wants to have a global economic leadership must spend a lot of money on innovation. That is how countries spend. Sir, in our country, our total spent on research R&D is only 0.7%. Would the government increase this amount, this percentage dramatically over the next many years?
Drastically, not dramatically.
सर, माननीय सांसद जी ने एक बहुत अच्छी बात कही है कि रिसर्च के ऊपर ज्यादा पैसा खर्च, और इस पर हमने बजट में भी लगभग 50,000 करोड़ रुपए का प्रावधान किया है। नेशनल रिसर्च फाउंडेशन के माध्यम से वो पैसा खर्च होगा और अलग अलग क्षेत्र जहां पे सरकार चिन्हित करेगी उसमें रिसर्च भी होगा, ताकि भविष्य में ज्यादा पेटेंट भी फाइल किए जा सके और भारत को आगे बढ़ने का बल भी।
Right. Second question, Dinesh Trivedi. Dinesh Trivedi, I see him. Question is, first supplementary, Dinesh ji.
सर, अभी आपने क्रिकेट की बात की, जब भी कभी भी हिंदुस्तान की बात आती है तो हमारा सीना एकदम फूल जाता है। उसी तहत मैं डॉक्टर साहब को बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूं। That very quietly, irrespective of which party where we belong, I think India has done a good job. And Dr. Saab, you being a professional, my question to this is, it was very nice to see whether it was on BBC or whether it was on CNN, wherever we have seen, we saw Indians, whether it is Dr. Swaminathan or Dr. Sanjay Gupta. Sir, all I am trying to suggest that research is the source. Unless and until we emphasize on research, we have independence, we have Atmanirbhar is only possible, and we all are for it, if we do lot of research and innovation.
Right.
The question, sir, is we are spending only 3% of the total allocation. At this time, it has been reduced to 1.25
Right,
of the
Mantriji.
total allocation.
Mantriji.
My question is, would you reconsider increasing this amount, because we need that particular amount to
Right.
be increased?
Right. Mantriji.
Sir, I think I have given a detailed reply. In the reply itself, I have compared the figures right from 2007-8, when the department was created as a small department. After that, the research activities and all those things have started somewhere in 2013-14. And right from 2013-14 till today, there has been a consistent improvement in the allocation of funds to the department. Even last year, means the present year, which is going to complete on 31st of March, we have improved our allocation to up to